One song can get you paid $7, 2 songs $14, 10 songs $70, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, as of right now, I have around $900 into my account balance from this platform. I'm gonna reload the page so you can see that this is real. We have $900. So if you ever wondered what it would feel like to listen to music and make money while doing that, then this is the video that you must watch. Now, honestly, this will not make you rich. Like, you cannot make a lot of money by doing this, and it takes a lot of time to get to this number, and this is not how I personally make the majority of my income. And actually, by listening to these songs, you will directly be selling your time for money. You will need to spend your time in order to make money. So if you actually want to see how to build a profitable online business, something that I'm personally doing, like this is something that I'm doing full time, not listening to music, but actually this is a passive income business that I run. It's a YouTube automation business where you make money from YouTube videos without showing your face and without recording them with the camera. And we literally have channels that go for like $400, $500 a day, sometimes even $700 per day just from one income stream. So if you want to learn more about that business model, I have a lot of free tutorials that you can watch, linked in the description box down below. But if you just want to make some pocket money, you want to make some extra money while listening to music, then you can also watch this video. Once again, it's not gonna make you rich, it's not gonna make you insane amounts of money, and it's gonna take a lot of time to get here, but still getting $900 for listening to music sounds good. So drop a like down below so we can get you 1,000 likes as soon as possible, and let us begin with a step-by-step tutorial. And by the way, I also want to show you all of these different people who are already making money using this platform every single day. People from all over the world are using it to make money while listening to music, and I want to show you exactly how they're doing this. Now, these are all the different ways that you can withdraw your money from this platform. You can use PayPal, you can use Payeer, Web Money, Perfect Money, you can also get Bitcoin, Ethereum, like all sorts of different things. So for the step number one, I just want you to go there and sign up to one of these platforms so you can actually receive your money. So if you want to use PayPal, go to paypal.com and then create an account so you can receive your money. And by the way, as you can see, the minimum payout is just $1, so you don't have to have like thousands of dollars into your account in order to withdraw. If you want to use Payeer, just go sign up to Payeer, create your account so you can actually receive the money that you make with this platform. Then for the step number 2, you will need to go over to pixabay.com and then click on music, or just go directly to pixabay.com/music. And basically, Pixabay is a copyright-free platform. Basically, they provide you with copyright-free materials and resources, whether those are photos, videos, or even music. And copyright-free means that you are able to re-upload the content that is on this platform to other platforms with no attribution to the author. They basically give you full license and full rights to actually do that, and you don't even have to pay for anything. So basically, once you come over to pixabay.com/music, you can find a lot of different songs in a lot of different genres. As you can see on the left hand side, you can select electronic, upbeat beats, beautiful plays, hip hop, main idol, modern classic, and a lot more. Like, there's a lot of different songs. In fact, there's like thousands upon thousands of different songs that you can find on pixabay.com/music, and each of these songs can make you approximately $7 again and again and again. So what you can simply do to start listening to one of these songs is you can just press this button right over here, and then the song is gonna start playing, and I want you to listen to them. So listen, for example, to this song right over here, and then if you like it, if you think other people would also like it, if you think like it's boring or no one would like it, then ignore it. So first of all, you will need to listen to those songs. You will need to listen to some music here and find something that you think you like and that other people will potentially like, and that's extremely important. So honestly, inspiring, emotional, uplifting piano, I'm not really sure if someone would actually listen to that. So I will go and maybe go with, or actually hip hop, that's actually a really good one. So let's listen to this song over here. Alright, do you like this one? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's say it's really good and I like it, I've listened to it. So now what you need to do is just press the download button right over here. So just click download, and that song will be onto your computer. Now I want you to repeat the same thing again and again. The more of these songs that you listen to and the more of them you download, the more money you will be able to make, and actually like the higher passive income stream you will get. So maybe I'm also gonna go with this one. Let's say I have 2 songs right now, or let's say I also like this one. This is a 3rd song, and I'm ready to go now. Now, obviously, download at least like 15 to 20 of these songs. Once again, the more of them, the better, and then proceed to the step number 3. And the step number 3 is to go over to a platform called up-forever.org. Up-forever.org is a platform where you can upload different things, upload different files, and get paid while doing that. So this is a file sharing free cloud storage. Basically, not only will they allow you to upload your files for free, but they will also pay you when you do that. So as you can see, you can upload your files safely and withdraw profits from the various payment methods, or convert the profits into different products. Like you can also get awards and products and gifts and whatnot. And the reason they are paying you is because when someone, downloads that file that you uploaded to up-forever.org, they will be shown some ads. So they will basically be sent to a landing page for ads, which they can skip. And once they skip those ads, basically this platform is just sharing the ad revenue with you. They're splitting the ad revenue with you, and that's how both you and the platform are making money. And those files can also be like photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and can also be music. So what you can simply do is you can, of course, first of all, go through the platform, see if you like it or not. And yeah, it's absolutely free. You don't have to spend any money on the premium membership or whatsoever. Like, it's $0 forever. And then you will just need to sign up to the platform. So there's going to be a sign up button right over here, where you will then enter some basic details about yourself, like your first and last name, email address, create a password, and that's it. And then you have an account. And then you will be able to log in by pressing the login button right over here. And as you can see, I have instantly logged in. You can press on make money to see how this actually works. But as you can see, you will be paid per 1,000 downloads in different areas. So now how much you're going to be paid depends on where the people are coming from. The people who actually download those files, in this case, who download the music and those songs which you uploaded from Pixabay. And as you can see, if they're coming from tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3 per 1,000 downloads. If they're coming from top tier 1 countries, you will be paid $7 per 1,000 downloads. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can also see all the different payment methods, as I mentioned earlier. If you want to use like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you would need to have at least $100 into your account. If you want to use some other options like Payoneer, that's $50. If you want to go with NetTeller, it's $5. Skrill is $5. PayPal is just $1. That basically means that as soon as you reach $1 into your account, you can instantly withdraw that money and spend it on whatever you want to. So now let me actually go to my account so I can show you how this actually works. And we go to my account, you can also once again see that I have $900 into this account. And by the way, you can also make money by referring other people. So as you can see, like for example, right now I'm making a video about this platform, and I could like also leave the link to it in the description box. I'm not doing that, by the way, but I could also leave a link, and like every single person that signs up would also make me passive income as well. And anyways, here on the left hand side, you can see all the different features that they have, but the most important one right now is the upload files feature. So click on upload files, and then click on choose a file, and just upload one of those songs which you previously downloaded from pixabay.com/music. You can also write a brief description. You can also change the title, and then you want to select it to be public as well. So you want to make sure that it's public so that other people can see that on the platform and can download that song. And then just click on start the upload, let it just load. Like, it really depends on your internet connection how fast that's gonna be, but then basically you can just open it up right over here. And then you can also share this link. Whenever someone clicks on this link and they download that song, you will be paid for that. Now, if you go to My Files on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see all the different songs that you have uploaded. So, for example, this song right over here, we can click on Actions and edit the song, and you can also set the price. So, for example, you can set the price to be $7 for this song and just click Submit. And now, whenever someone downloads this song, you will be paid $7. And the reason people will download these songs is because they want to use copyright-free music in their videos, in their YouTube videos, in their commercials and stuff like that. and these songs are entirely copyright free. So a lot of people don't even know that they can use pixabay.com/music to find these songs, so they would just go to app-forever.org, and when they download that, you could get paid $7 per download, per song download, and the more of those songs that you upload, the higher chances of making more money you will have. Now obviously it takes a lot of time to actually reach people with this platform, and you will need to be promoting your link across different social media networks to attract people to download your songs and stuff like that. It takes a lot of work to get some like higher numbers. You could, just start out and make a couple of dollars, but compared to how much time and effort you need to put into this, I don't really think it's worth it. So that's why I said, if you actually want to put in a little bit more time and effort, but actually establish an online business that could be making you money for the next couple of months or even years to come, then click the first link in the description box down below and watch as many of my YouTube automation tutorials for completely free as you want to. They're all, once again, absolutely free, and they're linked in the description box down below. Literally, it's way better than trading your time for money and then, just uploading different files and waiting for people to download them. Like, you cannot control that, and you have no idea how many people are actually going to download and if you're going to make some decent amount of money or not. But when it comes to YouTube automation, I literally have channels that went from zero to making $400 a day in the first 7 days. And there is no other online business like that one. Once again, free tutorials are linked in the description box down below. I really hope you've learned something new in this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like to it down below, and let's begin.